but get out of here.
What is this thing? Cameron knows. He's a mad scientist.
Cameron built it and designed it.
I made it for my college class. Potato cannon, sprinkler valves, and air. It's at the grocery store.
How many times has this been shot?
Hundreds.
Hundreds?
Yeah, all day, one day at the school. Okay, at 90 psi. 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
Well, that is definitely out of the park.
just hit the top of the yard. It's coming down.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! Shot number 2. We're going for the dumpster. Whoa!
2, 1.
There we go.
Yep.
Okay, wait,
Ready, Cheryl?
wait.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, watch out when it comes down. Here it comes.
It's peaked. Now it's coming down.
It's gonna hit a bird.
Coming down.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, right on the roof.
You put a hole in the roof?
This is the master mad scientist, but he has recruited
This is the
an assistant.
troublemaker. So we're thinking that if we put this piece of PVC in, we've made a modified nose cone, put about 30 seconds into that, and then about a minute into the fins,
The fins.
because we want it to fly like an arrow. So we've loaded it, and I believe there's a potato in the back.
Yep.
So we're hoping that this will be pushed out with the potato. So I've taped that off so that we don't
Check.
push anything.
Yeah. That's 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, whoa, just hit the peak.
It works just like an arrow. And it's stuck in the ground.
Right in the field. That went quite a way. That was sticking in the ground. We just pulled it out, but how far it went in was to here. It went about that far into the dirt. I was going to stick it back in, but I couldn't do it. So it hit with some power. Flew approximately 150, 170 yards. It's on the other side of that green thing over there.
Congratulations to assistant mad scientist
Yes.
and chief #1 mad scientist, Cameron.